In this video, you'll learn how to create an MLM website using WordPress. By following this guide, you will successfully set up your own website tailored for multi-level marketing. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you are on the homepage, locate and click on the option labeled Sites. This is typically found in the main menu at the top of the screen. After this action, you will be directed to a page showcasing various site options. Next, look for a button that says Create with AI. This option allows you to utilize artificial intelligence to assist in building your site. Clicking on this will initiate the AI site builder process, which streamlines the creation of your MLM website. After that, you will see a section titled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your site structure. Wait for the AI to load. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the AI has finished loading, a message will appear stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This message indicates that the AI is ready to assist you in customizing your site. Here you will need to type in the phrase "create an MLM website" into the designated input field. After entering the phrase, click on the Enter key to submit your input. This action will prompt the AI to generate suggestions tailored to your MLM website needs. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the AI is processing your request. Next, a message will appear stating WordPress.com can create an MLM website. This confirms that the system is equipped to proceed with your specifications. You will then be prompted to choose from the options presented. Type in the choice given above and press the Enter key again. This step is essential as it allows the AI to refine its suggestions based on your selection. Now you will see a prompt asking, what should your website be called? This is where you enter the title of your site, which will be displayed in the Browser tab. Type in your desired site name and click on. Following this, you will need to provide a tagline or description that reflects what your website offers. This is important for search engine optimization and user engagement. Enter your tagline and hit Enter once more. Next, you will be directed to a button that says Create My Site. Clicking on this will initiate the final steps of your website creation. After clicking, a message will appear stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on your request. You will need to wait for the site to generate, which might take some time depending on the complexity of your site and server conditions. Be patient as the system processes your request and do not navigate away from the page during this time. Finally, once your site is ready, you will receive a confirmation that your MLM website has been successfully created. At this point, you can begin customizing it further to suit your business needs. Remember to check your internet connection and ensure you have sufficient storage space on your account to avoid issues during the site creation process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.